Welcome to the first of a 4-part series comparing various camping stoves. My name is Chris, and this is Gear Cache. So today we're going to take a look at Coleman's bottle top stove. This is a relatively compact stove that utilizes the 1-pound propane canisters as a body for the stove itself. Inside the box you will find the base, which attaches to the canister, giving it a wider platform to sit on, as well as the stove top, the part that is actual the burner, and then your typical instructions / warning, safety warnings and whatnot. This unit does not come with a propane canister, so you'll need to supply yourself one of those separately, as well as it does not come with any sort of ignition source, so you will need a lighter or matches in order to light the fire and start cooking. Once fully assembled, the overall stove is rather tall, so you may want to be cautious about that. Say children or animals in the campsite may easily knock this whole thing over while you're cooking some food. Beyond that though, it is a relatively simple and easy to use device. One small issue I do have with this stove is the control knob for adjusting the flame. It has sort of these individual steps. As you rotate, you'll feel it kind of click into a position. And if you do want to do any sort of more fine-tuned type cooking, so something like boiling water, you can just full blast it and then let it go. But if you want to like simmer or any sort of more delicate cooking, you don't have a whole lot of control using that knob. And once you've got it into a specific setting, I found that just a slight pressure would even adjust the flame. It doesn't really hold that specific setting very well. So if you're looking for something simple like boiling water, or maybe just cooking some eggs that doesn't require any real chance of ruining the food very easily, this stove will do great. But any of the more advanced type cooking, you may want to opt for a more advanced stove. Now, to compare stoves, I repeated the same water boil test for each one, where I used the same pot, filled it with 2 cups of water, took the temperature while it was boiling, and basically turned the burner on full blast to see how long it would take to reach from 80 degrees to 200 degrees. This doesn't necessarily go straight to full boil, but the point being that the faster it reaches from that same range over and over again, the higher heat output the burner gives. Now, this burner is rated at 10,000 BTUs of heat, but there's a bit more to how fast your water boils than just simply straight up BTU measurements. For this particular stove, I was reaching about 1:45 seconds to about 1:50 seconds to reach my target temperature. Once again, that's not quite boiling, that's gonna be a little bit shy, but the point being that as I take measurements on the remaining stoves that I'm going to be reviewing, that same measurement will be used, and therefore the time difference between each measurement will give us an idea of which stove is more efficient at delivering heat to the pot of water. But overall, this little stove is quite a decent product. At its suggested price by Coleman at $40, I found it a little bit cheaper. I think it was about $35. But yeah, it's pretty decent, hard to break. It's a really simple design, and if you're looking for something small and compact and portable, it's a great product. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit that like button, subscribe so you can see how this stove compares against the other 2 I have coming up. I will be linking those in the description as well as I create them, and stay tuned for more videos. We'll see you next time.